Congratulations! You arrived at the last step of the Momentum Sprint method, the action plan. In order to help you with your action plan, we use the Scrum method. As you can see here in the canvas, we visualize team members' tasks in the to-do column, what everyone is currently busy with in the in progress column, and things that need to be reviewed or things that have been achieved in the review and done column. First, copy all the things that you decided to accomplish by this month in the backlog column. And after that, assign tasks. What will each team member do in the next 2 weeks in order to help the whole team and the company progress towards your goal? Now that you have this, you can always come back to this and keep track of your progress by moving your tasks through the different columns and updating your backlog month by month. Well done. Now, every time that you come together as a team, you have a clear team purpose, you have a strategy that will guide your actions, and you can always iterate on your action plan to keep the momentum going on your impact goals. Bye.